Hey guys, another day, a day in my life. Like, this is a day in my life. Like, I did my nails. I just got it done by myself with my regular nail polish, my purple nail polish. So, if you're someone that doesn't know how to do your nails, you should try, learn, save that money to do your nails. This is the part I did my toenails. See? I did my toenails myself. Like, it's been long I vlogged, so it just occurred to me that I should just do a little vlog. So this is like a day in my life. Sorry for that pure water. So this is me at the shop. This is my goods. This is what I sell. Sorry for that reflection. You know, I just started my studio. This is how it looks like. So though I haven't put everything in order yet, so I'm still just trying to source for more funds. When we get more funds, we're going to do more, but for now I'm managing my little space. For now there is no light here. I normally put on the gen. So this is like the area where my studio is. This is my neighbor. This is my neighbor's shop, and then I have a photo studio close to me here. It's like the photo studio here, and this is just like a regular area. Okay, little face. I removed my wig, but I'm going to wear it again. So I just wanted to show you guys how I come up in the shop, and then when I come in, this is like my shop from the outside view. So I'm not putting on my wig, so I'm going to go put on my wig so you see how beautiful I look. So guys, I put on my wig. How do I look with my wig on? And I look gorgeous. I look gorgeous. So this is like me in my studio when I do not have a client. There is no light here now, but I'm going to, like, when I get a client, I'm going to make use of my lights. Either I put on the gen, or if I don't put on the gen, I'm just going to just use my LED lights. It has a battery. Just plug in the battery and then I use it. Okay, so guys, this is just me in my, these are my wigs. Like, this side is not, the reflection of the light is not really here. These are the wigs that I have for sale. This is bone straight, 10 inches, and this is the what they call it, this is Mexican coil. This is a Mexican coil in 16 inches. Sorry, don't mind my pure water. So guys, it's been long I vlogged. I just said I should just do a little vlog. This vlog is not going to be more than 10 minutes. So this is just like where I display my goods, my handbags, slippers, earrings, perfumes. So this is just literally the way I arrange my stuff. Sorry for that sun reflection. I'm just trying to show you guys how my studio section is. So you see that I'm yet to repaint the shop. I'm yet to repaint the shop, but I'm actually going to get it done. But for now, we're going to be managing the space to get more funds. Okay, you know, the situation of the country is alarming, so everybody's managing. So we're just going to be managing this spot for now. Grateful to God for the step taken. Grateful for God. We thank God for everything. So guys, if you're hoping to have a makeup artist and you reside in Asaba, hint me up. Hint Chinese Glams up. You can hint me up on Instagram on Chinese Glam World, or you can hint me up on Chilla's Rehan Collection. That's where you're able to purchase. That's where you get to purchase all the products that I sell. I'm loving the effect of this make. And I'm not wearing makeup, guys. I'm not wearing makeup. See, I just applied a sunscreen on my face. Applied the sunscreen on my face and a little lipstick when I was leaving the house. So guys, this is literally me in my studio. This is where I got this, like my chair, the one that goes along with this one, that goes along with the wine color. So you see that the wall is stained due to the person that stayed here before. So I ought to repaint the shop to be white, which I'm going to get it done. But for now, I'm not having much customers yet, so I'm going to be taking it one step at a time. It's still a bit manageable. See, this is where I get my makeup. If the light is on now, you're going to see how beautiful the place is. Okay, so guys, I'll see you again on another, when I'm going to the market, I'm going to do just a little vlog on how I source for some things that I use in making food. Like I'm not cooking too much this period. Everybody know the situation of the country. So guys, this is just how my studio looks from the outside. Okay, I'll see you when I get to the markets. Do you know I forgot that I normally have my nails done? Do you know I forgot that I normally have my nails done? Like, I like having my nails done, like polished by myself. Do you know I actually forgot because I've been really sick this period. So when I just remembered, I just said I'm going to just get it done again. So this is literally me getting it all done, and this is how it looks. It looks beautiful, like. So when you are not a lover of nails, you want to just rock your natural hands, you can just give it some polish and see how great it comes out to be. Okay, like you don't want to wear too much makeup, just apply your sunscreen, put on your wigs, and you're good to go. It looks really nice, right? Just imagine when I get this my face painted white, it's going to just go so well. Everything is just going to match together. Like, you understand what I'm trying to say. So guys, stick by. I'm going to take you through the shopping when I go to the market, since I'm not buying too much today. Stay true. I know that I've spoken a lot, and you guys, please go back to watch my long form videos. I keep telling you that watch my long form videos, or you're going to get into trouble with me. I'll see you again. I realize that hair is very bright too. I realize that hair is very bright too for video. Maybe I should give it a try. Good spot for my videos as well. Like when I'm not putting on the gen, I can actually use this spot for my background, and this is a good spot. How come I haven't noticed this particular space? I'm going to actually give this particular space a try. So on my next video, that is not like my next week upload, I'm going to be using this particular spot for my next week upload. So stay tuned. I'll see you at the market. I'm heading for lunch. I'm actually sitting on the floor. It's quite dark over here, so guys, join me. I could not go to a bright area to eat this food. This is what I'm having for lunch.